Hello, this is Peter Badavinitz from the Cisco Small Business Architecture team here in Sydney, Australia. And once again, we're working with garagenet. So previously, we took a brand new Cisco Business Wireless 145AC access point and configured it using the Cisco Small Business app. Okay, so now we're on an iPad instead of the Android, but again, to demonstrate the app. So as you can see here, we've connected to garagenet 5G, which is our network. So let's come over and let's bring up the app here. And what you can see is that it's discovered my master network. So bring that up. Now our username that we had previously defined, we put in our password. And site name, site location, let's remember this, log in. So as you can see here, we can sign in with Touch ID. So there we are, got that set up. Okay, it's thinking here in the network. So let's just be a little bit patient. Okay, so here we are, Boss 145, which if you remember from the previous video is the name that we assigned. So network summary, so access points. Well, we have one, we have 3 clients. We know that we have a number of clients. Now, Rogues is interesting in this case because we're sitting at home and of course it can pick up all the access points that are, in other people's houses. So, but no, none of them are interfering. So as a result, but Rogues can be important. It can tell you whether or not there's anybody you don't expect within your region. Here, well, we don't care. It's what we expect. So top access points. Again, this is our 145. It's the only one. And let's check out. So we have Raspberry Pis. So I set the network up just to drive some traffic. I have a couple of Raspberry Pis, which, as you can see, are, driving, a fair amount of traffic, at least one of them. And you can see additional capabilities down here at the bottom. We have devices, so we just have the Cisco right now, and 2.4, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. We have I've set up 2 LANs. garagenet will accept either garagenet 5G. So clients, and then more. So we have tool support. So as a result, local connection ping, now Wi-Fi speed check. So again, we can let it go, and we can see, we're driving the system pretty well, which is, potentially limited more by the work that the Raspberry Pis are doing as opposed to what the access point can do. So let's stop that, back. So again, reset the factory default, which we don't really want to do. System information, and here we have it, the 145. Okay, so this has been a basic view of using the Cisco Business Mobile App to, monitor and to be able to take a look at your, your network that you've installed. So we'll do some more intense, including adding a mesh extender with a subsequent video. So again, this is Peter Badavinitz of the Cisco Small Business Architecture team here in Sydney, Australia, thanking you for your time, taking a look at the new Cisco Business Wireless 145AC access point. Thank you.